Right, just had some beer and now for a drive
Don't drink and drive, guys.
to the swamps.
To the swamp.
Come all the way from Singapore swamps to
To
Louisiana swamp.
American swamps.
See some alligators,
There's things
see
moving.
some snakes,
Sure.
and
See some mosquitoes.
a rat. See you soon.
The swamp tours, we saw a lot of alligators and
One raccoon, two raccoons,
2 or 3 raccoons, and one snake in the water, 3 pigs, Iberian pigs.
Yes,
black
do you
pigs.
know the pigs are not native to Louisiana? It was brought here by the Spanish. So those damn pigs are actually Iberian pigs.
Yeah, it's all kind of putting on when we saw those pigs.
Some hamon.
Yeah, we
Fun?
we didn't expect the tour to be so fun, but it was good. It was nice.
Never expected the swamp to be quite that beautiful actually.
Yeah, it was very mystical. We were even introduced to the tree that was inspired Disney for the Princess and the Frog. So that was very nice. Very magical. City mistake. Alright. Do crawfish! Let's go!
If there is crawfish.
Let's go!
And it's raining now.
Raining. Let me driving.